Hi everyone, it's Barb Betts here with the Betts Realty Group, and I'm here today to talk to you about VA loans, otherwise known as the Veterans Administration Loan. First of all, if you're not a veteran or you haven't served in the military before, unfortunately, you can't utilize a VA loan. But if you are or have, number one, thank you for your service. Number two, we want to talk to you a little bit today about VA loans and why they're such a great product to use. Number one. It is about the only product out there where you can do 100% financing. That means no down payment. Now, we still recommend if you can put down a down payment that you do, but if you do need to utilize that 100% financing option, it's there for you. Number two, there is very, very, very competitive rates. They've got their own rate schedule, but they are very, very competitive. Number three, most exciting, wish confetti could come down from the ceiling right now, no mortgage insurance. Veterans loans, VA loans have no mortgage insurance, and that can save you hundreds of dollars a month and means you might qualify for more of a property than you would on a traditional FHA or conventional loan. Some myths. There is no special inspection on a VA loan. There is a special appraisal. And when I say special, I mean the appraiser has to be certified by the Veterans Administration. And when they come out to the property, they're going to look for some health and safety items that possibly on other appraisals may not be called out. But if you work with a good realtor like us who knows how to use these VA loans and knows the properties that will qualify for VA loans, you will be just fine. And the good news is most properties do. We're talking things like peeling paint. We're talking things like broken windows. We're talking things no flooring, no heat. You know, the major health and safety functions of a home. The next bump in the road on a VA loan is condominiums, planned unit developments, anything with an HOA possibly is going to have to be approved by the Veterans Administration. And that's where people get a little bit hung up. But again, if you're working with a great realtor like us, we're able to help you find those condominium complexes that are VA approved, and there are a lot of them. Most realtors don't even know that there's a website that you can go to through the government that actually tells us if a home or property is VA approved. So at the end of the day, don't be afraid to use your VA financing. Find a realtor who understands VA financing, someone that can help you navigate through the VA process because it is a little bit different, and most importantly, a lender that can walk you through that as well. Most importantly, thank you for your service, and if you need a great realtor to help you find a home in the new year, we'd be more than honored to help you.